Hello guys, Cosmetics here, and today I'll be teaching you guys how to use Wallpaper Engine, as I know it may be tricky for some of you to install wallpapers. So first things first, you may want to go onto Steam and open up Wallpaper Engine. I'll just do this now, for that. So once you're in Steam, you must open your Wallpaper Engine and yeah, that's first things first. Library, if you have a engine, it should cost like $6.50. Fine, you go here, have the engine open, and then if I minimize tab, let me do the library. There you guys. As you can see, I've got this wallpaper right here. So got this wallpaper like this. You can see it's startable. So I can put a wallpaper engine over it. Actually, I can. And I'll show you guys upload here, Google Chrome, whatever. And search, I want you to search on whatever wallpaper you want. So say, interactive wallpaper. As you can see, it should show up in this, don't you? So if I press on this, it should be. Let's see what is open. And you should see this button right here, subscribe. Unsubscribe, I can press subscribe. Now that has been added to Wallpaper Engine. I'll minimize this tab. And you need to go to Wallpaper Engine. Press open wallpaper. And press that one top. Down it. And please editor. No, what am I doing? Okay, so you need to go back to Steam. You need to open the engine. Should be ready. Set it to whatever wallpaper you want, whatever switch up here. And see, you got this. And it's just applied and press OK. Done. Then obviously, wallpaper. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.